में तो कहता था कि साल में 2 बार आएंगे। हरे कृष्ण, साल में 2 बार आएंगे।
लाल गोविंद प्रभु जी ने आज जो कथा रस हम सबको पिलाया है, उसकी सराहना करनी बहुत मुश्किल है। महाराज जी ने बहुत बड़ी राशि अपनी ओर से दी है। महाराज जी के भक्तगण और शिष्यगणों ने और उनके जो शुभेच्छक जो है, उन्होंने 35 मिलियन बात ये मंदिर के लिए कमिट किया है। महाराज जी का खुद का कमिटमेंट 20 मिलियन का है।
By the inspiration of Maharaj and also LalGovind Prabhu. So the Katha was all about the Siam Mahal. ISKCON Thailand was able to raise 47 million Thai baht in Thai currency. Also, there are many devotees on the way, and also many devotees are asking LalGovind Prabhu to also come back very soon. Also, Prasadam was outstanding, absolutely amazing Prasadam, all 7 days. Also nice kirtan, the atmosphere was beautiful. So it's very inspiring for me also to attend this Katha. LalGovind Prabhu is connecting us to the supreme, to the highest truth and the highest goal, which is Krishna Bhakti. You are truly a legend in Krishna consciousness. You are truly following the footsteps of our acharyas.
वैष्णव गोसाई पतित पावन तोमा बिना के हनाए।
वैष्णव ठाकुर जय वैष्णव
ठाकुर जय वैष्णव ठाकुर, वैष्णव ठाकुर जय वैष्णव ठाकुर, वैष्णव ठाकुर जय वैष्णव ठाकुर।
श्री वेदव्यास प्रिय महाराज की जय।
लाल गोविंद प्रभु जी ने आज जो कथा रस हम सबको पिलाया है, उसकी सराहना करनी बहुत मुश्किल है। पंचांगा भक्ति से राम और गिलहरी, उसके बाद में मंजरी और किंकरी, उसके बाद में शिवी महाराज, उसके बाद में हरिश्चंद्र जी, और उसके बाद में केवट ने तो इतना रंग रखा कि मैं क्या बताऊं। और ये सारों को श्याम महल के साथ जुड़ा हुआ है। आपका श्याम महल, आपके शहर के अंदर बनने वाला श्याम महल, अभी मैं बताऊं, जब भी हम यहाँ पे बैंकॉक में आए थे, लाल गोविंद प्रभु जी ने पहले दिन जो सप्ताह का प्रारंभ किया था, तभी हमारा स्कोर जो था, महाराज जी ने बहुत बड़ी राशि अपनी ओर से दी है। महाराज जी के भक्तगण और शिष्यगणों ने और उनके जो शुभेच्छक जो है, उन्होंने 35 मिलियन बात ये मंदिर के लिए कमिट किया है। महाराज जी का खुद का कमिटमेंट 20 मिलियन का है। तो 55 मिलियन, हम 55 मिलियन से हम स्टार्ट करके आए थे। आज मुझे कहते हुए बहुत खुशी होती है, जो कंफर्म और एक्सपेक्टेड प्लेस जो हम यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं, जो होने वाला है 7 दिन के अंदर, वो बैंकॉक का फिगर आज 35 मिलियन पे पहुंच चुका है। तो हम 55 और 35 90 तक तो पहुंच गए हैं। 34% इज कंप्लीटेड एंड 66% इज रिमेनिंग। सो वो जो है हमारा जो 200 मिलियन बात का कंस्ट्रक्शन श्याम महल का, आपके श्याम महल का, और 50 मिलियन बात की जो लैंड, 250 मिलियन बात का ये प्रोजेक्ट है। बहुत आनंद आ रहा है कि सब लोग बहुत प्रेम से जुड़ रहे हैं।
वैसे तो प्रभुपाद जी हमारे गुरु महाराज भारत और भारतीय संस्कृति वाले देशों में सहज कृष्ण भावना का प्रचार हो, ऐसी भावना 1974 से प्रकट कर रहे हैं। क्योंकि भारत देश से थाईलैंड जो श्याम देश कहलाता था पहला, तो ये काफ़ी नज़दीक है। और लोग आसानी से यहाँ आ सकते हैं। ऐसे अंतर्राष्ट्रीय दृष्टि से भी संबंध अच्छे हैं। ज़्यादातर कृष्ण भावना का प्रचार प्रभुपाद जी की बनाई हुई जो सारी अंतर्राष्ट्रीय कृष्ण भावना प्रसंग की जो रीतियाँ हैं उसको अपनाकर थाईलैंड में भी व्यवस्थित रूप से प्रचार कर सकते हैं। ऐसी भावना लेकर हमने ये आंदोलन स्वीकारा है। आप ये पहला प्रसंग है, आपसे हम प्रभावित हैं और आपका आशीर्वाद यानी कि जनता का आशीर्वाद भी प्रभुपाद जी की इच्छा को सफल बनाने में यदि बनता रहता है तो ये योगदान बहुत ऐतिहासिक दृष्टि से भी महत्वपूर्ण है। आप लोगों ने जो उत्साह में दिया है, ये तो पहला प्रसंग है प्रभु जी। कम से कम मैं तो कहता था कि साल में 2 बार आएंगे। हरे कृष्ण, साल में 2 बार आएंगे। थाईलैंड में कितने पड़े ऐसे धुरंधर हैं, हम सबको पहुंच नहीं पाते। आप जितने को पहुंच पाते थे, हम अकेले नहीं। अभी हम थोड़े जो जिन्होंने सहयोग दिया है इनके पास अवश्य जाएंगे और प्रभु के आशीर्वाद प्रदान करें। तो आप लोगों का बहुत धन्यवाद। आप आए हैं और सभा में अभिवृद्धि की है तो अवश्य आपका हार्दिक आभार। हरे कृष्ण।
Hare Krishna. My name is LalGovindDas. I'm from London. I've been a devotee for the last 20 years, following Krishna consciousness. I've been also following LalGovind Prabhu's Katha for many years now. Recently, I had a wonderful experience. I was invited by His Holiness Vyasbhya Maharaj at ISKCON Bangkok in Thailand to be the part of LalGovind Prabhu's Vijay Yatra as well as a part of the organizing team as well. And it was a wonderful experience under the inspiration of His Holiness Vyasbhya Maharaj. I was very fortunate to be the part of this wonderful Katha. The Katha was all about the Siam Mahal. This Siam Mahal construction is a replica of Hawa Mahal in Rajasthan, which is very, very popular. So His Holiness Vyasbhya Maharaj is inspired and is inspiring a big community to construct this temple. LalGovind Prabhu, as a part of his Bhagavad Vijay Yatra, was invited to host this 7 days Katha. This Katha was very, very special and very, very enriching, enlivening, and also connecting ourselves to many, many devotees. It was well attended by many, many fortunate souls, a very high-profile business class people also, which came almost every day, as well as His Holiness Vyasbhya Maharaj attended every day. Also, Prabhu Vishnu Maharaj and some devotees from Australia who couldn't understand Hindi, but the vibes and the words coming out of LalGovind Prabhu's mouth were keeping them engaged, absorbed in the Katha, even though they didn't understand Hindi language. So I would also like to say LalGovind Prabhu has been an amazing, very inspirational, very influential, I would say, a wonderful speaker. Also, LalGovind Prabhu is a walking encyclopedia for many, many Shastras. We name it Mahabharata, Ramayana, all the Puranas, Bhagavad Gita, Chaitanya Charitamrita. He is expertly deriving the essence from every single Shastra and presenting in front of all of us. And this is really amazing. This is what the current community, this is what the current world needs, a quick resolution to their material miseries. And LalGovind Prabhu is very expertly delivering this message of Krishna consciousness, an ultimate goal, which is Krishna Bhakti. He's delivering it so expertly with everyone. I would also like to say that the Katha, the devotees who came all 7 days, I could see the joy and the happiness on their faces. And I could also see that many pastimes of the Lord which were described by LalGovind Prabhu, they didn't have clue exactly that this even exists in Srimad Bhagavatam. So this is how LalGovind Prabhu presented this wonderful katha to the community. Community was very happy, absorbed, and I could see that the connection was building up. LalGovind Prabhu is making a very strong foundation about this Siam Mahal as well as the community building in Thailand. It is very common to see, to experience during LalGovind Prabhu's katha, the hair standing on the ends, the tears flowing from the eyes, crying in ecstasy, begging for the holy name, chanting the holy name. These are very commonly seen things during LalGovind Prabhu's katha, and I myself experienced. I was crying in many different pastimes. It's not just the pastimes, but the rasa, but the way is presented to us by LalGovind Prabhu. This makes us cry and feel that we are the part and parcel. We are the part of this pastime actually. And that's what made me feel, and I could see many devotees were giving us feedback. They were crying, which they've never experienced in their life. This is something amazing connection. LalGovind Prabhu is connecting us to the supreme, to the highest truth and the highest goal, which is Krishna Bhakti. Also on the last day, LalGovind Prabhu also mentioned about the ultimate goal, the last shloka of Srimad Bhagavatam, the ultimate goal of chanting the holy name. And he actually proved to everybody that chanting the holy name is the highest goal of every living entity. And he proved that, and he also distributed the beads to many devotees who came forward and committed themselves to chant minimum 2 to 4 rounds. So LalGovind Prabhu gives the knowledge and makes it practical also for us, that how we can utilize this knowledge in our practical life. I could see there are so many people from different backgrounds came together, heard Krishna Katha all 7 days with all their hearts, chanted the holy name, danced in the kirtan, also took Krishna Prasadam, wonderful delicious Krishna Prasadam as well. And also as a part of this Katha, the main goal for this Katha was to raise the fund for a new temple coming up in ISKCON Thailand, in ISKCON Bangkok, which is called Siam Mahal. And through LalGovind Prabhu's speech and inspiration and connecting, how we can use our energy in the service of the Lord, ISKCON Thailand was able to raise 47 million Thai bahts in Thai currency. Also, there are many devotees on the way, and also many devotees are asking LalGovind Prabhu to also come back very soon, because it's not just about raising the funds, but LalGovind Prabhu was expertly connecting, how we can use tan, man and dhan, everything in the service of the Lord. And he gave so many wonderful examples which people were convinced with that ISKCON philosophy, the Krishna consciousness philosophy, that this is all. We are giving our Lakshmi into the service of the Lord, and we could see how generously they were donating, not just to do the show off. They were really convinced about the philosophy of Krishna consciousness. Also, I would like to say very special thanks to the ISKCON Thailand devotees, His Holiness Vedvyas Priya Maharaj, His Grace Asitaradhya Prabhu, His Grace Suyagya Prabhu, who has been wonderfully involved in making this project a success, and inviting LalGovind Prabhu also. So devotees around, they were very thankful to LalGovind Prabhu for his wonderful speech with inspiration, their selflessness, wonderful quotes from different shastras. What I experienced myself, the mood in ISKCON Thailand, in ISKCON Bangkok, was like a Vrindavan Dham. So we could see wonderful, beautiful flower arrangements, Krishna Katha by His Grace LalGovind Prabhu. Everybody was fully absorbed into the Vrindavan mood, bringing that rasa, bringing that bhakti into their heart. So which was very nice thing to notice. And I was very much inspired by the commitment of the devotees, how they had these different, work commitments. They had jobs, their kids. They still made extra efforts to come to the temple and for the Katha and help in any ways they could. So, which was really inspiring to see these kind of centers are growing by the inspiration of Maharaj and also LalGovind Prabhu. So also Prashadam was outstanding, absolutely amazing Prashadam all 7 days. Also nice Kirtan, the atmosphere was beautiful. So it's very inspiring for me also to attend this Katha, and I would like to be the part of this ongoing up for the ongoing time. But it was really amazing. I would like to say very special thanks to His Grace LalGovind Prabhu for your wonderful inspiration, and you are truly a legend in Krishna consciousness. You are truly following the footsteps of our acharyas. Amazing. Thank you very much, LalGovind Prabhu, for everything what you do. We love you so much. Please keep inspiring us. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Shri Krishna Chandra Bhagavan ki jai. His Grace LalGovind Prabhu ki jai. Siam Mahal in a new temple in ISKCON, Bangkok ki jai.